Tired of manually copying contacts between Pipedrive and SendPulse? Automate it in minutes with this exact setup. I know the drill. You close a deal in Pipedrive, then you have to remember to hop over to SendPulse, type in the same information, and hope you didn't misspell an email address. It wastes time, and honestly, it's way too easy for leads to slip through the cracks. But you don't have to live like that. We're going to fix this right now. We'll walk through finding the integration, authorizing both accounts, and configuring the sync settings so everything just happens automatically. Let's start. All right, first thing, open up your Pipedrive account. You're going to want to look at the left sidebar. See that little three-dot icon that says More? Click on that. A menu pops up, and right there you'll see Marketplace. Go ahead and click on it. Now, it might take a few seconds for the Marketplace page to fully load. Don't click anything yet. Just give it a moment. Once it's ready, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in SendPulse. As you type, results will start appearing below. You'll see the official SendPulse integration pop up. Click on that. Another window is going to open up with all the details about the integration. This is where you want to pause and actually read through what's offered. They'll tell you exactly what this integration can do, which fields sync, how often it updates, that kind of thing. I always recommend checking this first because some integrations are more limited than others. This one is solid. You'll also see a tab that says Setup and Installation. You can click that if you want to review the step-by-step instructions SendPulse provides. It's optional, but it's good to have open as a reference while we work through this together. All right, let's move into the actual setup. You're going to see an Authorize button. Click it. This will redirect you to sign in to your SendPulse account. Go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, SendPulse is going to ask for permission to connect to your Pipedrive account. This is standard. They need access to read and write your contacts. Grant the permissions. Don't worry, you're in control of what gets synced next. Now, here's the really important part. You'll need to select which mailing list in SendPulse you want to connect. If you have multiple lists for different campaigns, pick the one that makes the most sense for your Pipedrive contacts. You can always change this later, but it saves time to get it right the first time. After that, you'll see the synchronization settings. This is where you decide the direction of the sync. Do you want Pipedrive contacts to flow into SendPulse? Both ways? You can also set up triggers, like automatically adding new Pipedrive deals to a specific SendPulse list. Take your time here. Configure it to match your workflow. I've tested this both ways, and I find one way, from Pipedrive to SendPulse, works best for most people, but your setup might be different. Once you're happy, click Save. You'll see a confirmation message, and it might take a few seconds for the connection to fully establish. Just be patient. It's working in the background. When it's done, verify the connection. You should see a green indicator or a status that says Connected. That's your green light. Now let's test it. Create a test contact in Pipedrive, just a dummy one with a made-up email. Save it. Then head over to your SendPulse account. Check the mailing list you selected. If everything's working, that test contact should appear within a minute or two. And that's it. You've just automated the transfer of contacts between two of your most important tools. No more manual copying, no more data errors, just seamless synchronization that happens while you focus on actually selling.